Try on all the clothes in my closet. It's really just the dresses, skirts, and crop tops, but this is 3 videos edited into one, so I do apologize if it's a little wonky. But the goal of this is to try on everything that I have, and that way I can keep what I want and then donate what I don't want. So yeah, let's get into it. I am definitely gonna put my hair up for this because I don't know about y'all, but trying on clothes is a fucking workout for me, and it always has been. Like, now I'm a bigger girl, so like, yeah, of course it's a workout, but even when I was skinny, it was a workout, and I hate trying on clothes. So I figured if I like film it, maybe I'll actually like get through the closet. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, first dress. This is an old one from Shein. It might look okay from the front, but I am not comfortable with how it fits on the side. Like, if I wore something to like really suck everything in, because I have one on now, but it's not doing literally anything, so I might just take it off. I wouldn't hate it, but I don't love it. And I've also had this forever, and I've never worn it ever. So we're gonna be getting rid of this. It's really cute though, and I love the pattern. I wish I knew how to sew, but I don't, so therefore we will be getting rid of it and not trying to recycle. Next dress, I actually really like this one. It's not like my usual style, as you will see throughout this video, but it has little strawberries and like little plants and flowers all over it, and it's so cute. I'm gonna keep it. My favorite dress that I own, this is from Hot Topic, and this is definitely more my style. I haven't worn this in a long time though, but I refuse to get rid of it because I am obsessed with it. Like, it's so cute. I'm obsessed with this dress. I'm keeping it. I love it. It's so cute. Another dress that I will be keeping because I love this dress. I haven't worn this in so long, but she has pockets. And it's actually pretty long, and it fits me nicely, I feel like. I love this dress. It also has, like, look, there's, like, buttons that go down. It's so cute. This is from Torrid. Keeping it. Next up, this dress I bought pretty recently. It was at a Forever 21. It's a 1X, and I can't tell you the last time I bought something Forever 21 before I bought this, so I don't even know what I would fit. It fits fine everywhere except up here. There's a lot of space. I find that happens a lot with the size that I am. I'm not built properly up top to fit into a lot of the tops and dresses that are the size that fit the rest of my body. So we're gonna get rid of it. Another dress from Torrid from like 2018 also has pockets. That is one thing about Torrid, is they always have pockets, and I cannot zipper this dress on my own, but it, like, of course it's in the back and we tied it so it fits me good, so I can unzipper it, but I cannot zipper it fully on my own. But like, I love this dress. It's so cute. It's like silk at the top, and then there's tulle down here. It's so cute. This is from Hot Topic. This dress is from Shein. I'm keeping it. It's a simple black skater dress. It is new. Shein sent it to me, and I haven't worn it yet. But like, it's so cute, pretty. Look at the pattern, and like there's a little moth or butterfly or whatever you want to call it. It's so pretty. This isn't a dress. It's a romper, but we're throwing it in with the category. It's the only one I own. I bought this as like a, when I go to family events I can fit in, because I feel like a lot of my family hates the way I dress, so I buy things that I hate and wear them to that. So we are gonna be getting rid of this. This is another older dress that is from Torrid. Again, pockets. The only thing that sucks about this dress is like somehow I fucked up the straps and I cannot untangle them for anything, so I always wear something over top the straps to cover it. It's velvet. It's really pretty. So yeah, we're gonna keep it. This dress is from Hot Topic. It is new. I haven't worn it yet. I bought this because I was going to a witches festival, and then I completely changed what I was wearing last minute. But look at the pattern. It kind of matches my tattoo back there. Oh my god, look how gross my elbows look. They're like yellow. Look! But it's long, it's flowy. It is very cute. I love this dress. We're keeping it. This is another Shein dress. It's very similar to the plain black one that I kept. I like this dress. We're gonna keep it. This is an old Torrid dress, I believe. The tag, I didn't look at it. Sorry. I think I'm gonna get rid of it though. It did me good for a while. I wore it a lot. I am going to get rid of this one. Mom, don't look at this. She bought me this like 3 years ago, and it's been in the back of my closet because I've been too nervous to get rid of it. Look how crazy my hair is from all this. But like, sometimes I forget he's there. It's like, what is peeking out? I don't know. I don't like the way it fits. You shouldn't be able to see the silk, and also the whole back top is just silk. Also, this is a romper. Yes, I didn't know I had any rompers, let alone 2. But yeah, we're gonna give her away. Alright, last dress, I'm keeping it. It's very new. It has shorts underneath it. No pockets, sadly. But Shein just sent me this not too long ago, and I've worn it a couple times. I love this. It's a simple black skater dress. I don't hate the way it fits, and it flows out where I like it to flow out. we're keeping it. Skirt one, I think I'm gonna be getting rid of. I don't love it. Shein just sent this to me. It is so sheer, even though I have like a short thing underneath it right now. It's so sheer. It's quite short. Like, yeah, it's not covering anything. I'm gonna go with my tippy toes. It has a little slit in the middle. This is also new from Shein. I got it the same time I got that last dress. I wore this the other day to a family thing, and it's so cute. I'm obsessed with this skirt. Zipper, button, little slit. Only thing was, it was a family thing, and I sat with my legs crossed, and I had to keep like. So yeah, I might not wear this to a family. I think it's like my grandparents did. But like yeah, I really like this. It's cute. We're keeping it. Okay, this dress is also from Shein. I've had it for quite some time. I'm gonna keep it. I think I just said dress. I mean skirt. It's from Shein. I like this skirt. There's no slits or anything. It's literally just a big flowy skirt. Skirt also from Shein. These might all be from Shein, so we'll see about that. I hate tight skirts usually, but I'm obsessed with the pattern on this skirt. Like, you see what I mean? So usually I wear it with like something like kind of long that covers everything. But like, I love the pattern on this. I love anything floral, nature, mushrooms, flowers, butterfly. Like, obsessed with that type of pattern and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna keep it. Another skirt from Shein. They just recently sent me this. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like that there. It might just be me and my little mind. So I turn it a little sideways. I just don't like that. But like, it's so pretty. It's so cute. Look at the pattern. The butterflies. It's also very long. Longer than I can show in the camera frame. I literally have like 3 feet of space, so I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. I love it. I was really okay with getting rid of the first skirt because I knew I had this one, and it has built-in shorts. So I love this skirt. It is short, but since it has the built-in shorts, I feel more comfortable wearing it. And I also don't wear it that often. Usually I wear it underneath like long sweaters and stuff to give it a little poof. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this skirt. I dropped my phone. Also, my grandmother is really passionately telling a story right now, so if you hear, that is what's going on. I'm gonna get rid of this. I forgot I bought this. I thrifted this before I was in my 20s, and I turned 25 this year. Oh, before I was an adult. 2016, 2017, I thrifted this. And I loved it during the time because it was like popular. It was a tennis skirt. I had shorts built in. I literally took this on vacation to Florida with me and wore it. Like, loved this thing, but it's not my style anymore. It kind of looks sheer, doesn't it? Like, you could see that I'm wearing like something like right there. Am I losing it? No, it's totally sheer. Wait a minute. I'm like really having a moment trying to figure this out. So it's sheer. I've worn this multiple times out. I think I wore tights underneath and shorts underneath. I always do when I wear skirts, shorts underneath. But I did not know it was this sheer. I don't wear it that often anyway, but I like to have just a plain black skirt just in case. So I'm gonna keep it and wear stuff underneath it every single time because I did not know it was sheer. For starters, I've had this one on almost all day, and I had therapy earlier. I have this in the middle, and it like ties up in the middle, so it goes like up more. I'm gonna keep it. Almost all of these are probably gonna be black because it's my go-to color for everything. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, this one I actually made the design myself. I saw this shirt and I wore it a couple times. I thrifted it, and I was like, you know what, the color reminds me of like Spider-Man kind of, but like it's totally not, but for some reason I like associated it together, so I put the spider on it. I'm gonna keep it. I like it. This is so see-through, and I'm not wearing the correct bra. It is literally the same one as the red one except white, and there's nothing on it. I just need to be wearing a white bra, but I'm gonna keep it. Same as before, I'm wearing the wrong bra. It's another white one. You wear a white bra with it, you're good to go. Otherwise you could see everything right now. But yeah, this one's a little looser than the other one, and it's not like a V type of deeper neck situation, so I'm gonna keep it as well. I don't own very much white, so the fact that I have 2 white crop tops, and it looks like there's another one in there. This one is old. I think it's from Shein, from like 2020 era of me. I can't tell you the last time I've worn this, So I think I'm gonna get rid of it because I literally don't ever wear this. Like, this is probably a top that you see a lot if you watch my videos, because I love this shirt. I don't know why, I just really like this shirt. I wear it all the fucking time. So of course we're gonna keep it. This is another top from Shein. I'm kind of noticing that I maybe need to like size down because these are all like very big on me. So maybe I need to size down, but it says never mind. And I think it's kind of fun. So we're gonna keep it. Also, I just love this color. So this is another top I wear all the time. I love this top as well. So you probably have seen it before. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I bought this so long ago. It's a pajama shirt. So I'm probably only gonna keep it because it's a pajama shirt. And when my grandparents go, what are you gonna wear for 4th of July? I go, I think I have that still. It came with a matching headband. And then there's a pair of shorts that are literally just this blue tie-dye. So you can get the full fit fucking going for it. But I literally just wear this to bed. I don't know why it's hanging up in the closet and not with the shorts in my sleeping set drawer. The shorts are in there alone. Loving the hair. But I'm gonna keep it just because it's comfortable to wear to bed. This is similar to the shirt that I started in without knots down here. There's just nothing up here. I'm really have a little issues of just wearing black shirts for like every makeup look I do. So all of these shirts just go in a rotation. So we're gonna keep it. This top got sent to me from Cherry Kitten. Oh my god, I wore this a couple months ago and I don't understand how because this is so tight. So we are gonna get rid of it. But again, like I had said, I think I need to size down with the shirts I'm buying because why is it so big? I think the issue is I buy the same size shirts and pants and my bottom half is a bigger size than my top half. I'm gonna get rid of this. The shirt I really like. It has a cute little sun and moon on it. It is off the shoulder. I don't know what else to say about it. I like this shirt. I'm gonna keep it. This is so similar to the first top, except this one's ribbed and that one isn't. But I'm gonna keep it though because it's like a color option for when I decide to actually wear colors and there's nothing on it. I put this design on this shirt last Easter and I'm probably gonna wear it for this Easter as well because my mom was like, well, what are you gonna wear this Easter theme? And I was like, I don't know. So I literally pulled out the Cricut and made this bunny. We're gonna keep it and I'm gonna wear it. I'm more comfortable wearing this like this than I was in the white shirt. But yeah, this is like what I wear like with little tank tops underneath it or whatever. And it's a cute little throw over. So I'm keeping this. I just like to throw it over top of like little dresses and whatnot. So another red shirt. I put this on it because I was gonna wear it to the Fall Out Boy concert and ended up wearing something completely fucking different, which is part-time soulmate, full-time problem. But then I completely changed my outfit for what I like this. It's cute. I'm gonna keep it. Okay. The shirt I'm gonna keep because this was a sample of merch I was going to make. I commissioned a friend of mine to make this whenever my whole thing on TikTok back in like 2021, 2022 was posting makeup with mystery unaliving stories. So it was called Makeup and Murder. And I can't say that anymore. But like that's what I used to call it, was Makeup and Murder. So my nose is so itchy right now. So like I made this as being like, maybe I'll release merch when I hit 100k, and I've been at 80k for the past like 4 years. So we'll see what happens with that, but I think it's kind of a fun design. I hate that the shirt's like sheer, but I love this design. Like my friend used reference of like me. It's really cute. They also gave me like little nails that are like chipped polish because I like that was what I was doing. It's so cute. I haven't worn it in a while, but like I can't get rid of it. Okay, I'm putting this shirt on, but I'm not putting on this shirt because they're the same shirt from Shein, just different designs. I've had it for so long and it's like starting to go missing on some of the sparkles. This one's not as bad. I love them, so we're gonna keep it. This is from COVID era. We're gonna get rid of it. I think I've only worn it to like bed for the past years, but like this one's pretty new from Shein. I like it. We're gonna keep it. Like, look how cute he is. Look at little ghost face. This crop top is from Wild Fable, which I believe is Target. Their basics are so good. I think that's what the plain white one was, and the red one that I ended up putting a spider on, it was this brand because it's just nice. It's cute and it's not that crazy expensive. I think the shirt was like $5. Could you hear that? My grandfather's yelling for the dog to come in because she goes outside and all she does is bark. Not my dog, their dog. My dog is Sweet Baby Angel and she's sleeping right now. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this. Okay, this is from Social Collision at hot topic. I don't know if this is from anything or not. I just really like this shirt. It was so cute. There's a little star. I love the shirt. I got it pretty recently. I just think it's so cute. If it's from something, let me know. I don't know if it is or not because I was like, I don't care if it's from something or not. I need that shirt. It's so cute. So we're keeping. This is the last shirt. It's old. It's thrifted. I wear it to bed. So we're gonna keep it just because I wear it to bed. All right, that is all of the dresses, skirts, and crop tops. So thank you all so much for watching. Okay, love you, bye.